everyone. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Dani Apgar, and I am the EVP and co-founder of RapportBoost.AI. Now, .AI stands for Augmented Intelligence at RapportBoost. So we are the Optimizely of live chat. We are not a bot at all. I have been working in technology for almost 20 years now, and I've worked with some of the best companies in the world. And what I have found working with these companies is that they have said two similar things across the board. One, Dani, I absolutely do want more conversions. Two, I do not want more conversions at the sacrifice of my brand equity. So let's get into a do here, shall we? So the first do is do use live chat for customer acquisition. Why? It is the millennials' #1 preferred method of purchase, short form communication. Two, being optimizing conversions is key to engagement and customer acquisition. Online brands that execute chat well will grow profit and also market share. Conversational commerce is growing the fastest, and you can't be omni-channel if you don't have chat. And the last being that if you don't have chat, then your competition will take your customers away from you. A don't. Do not let a chatbot be your brand ambassador. Why? Because they are unable to sell effectively, they do not reflect brand identity, and they are not personalized to adapt to the user. So I have a question here, a do or don't. Do you think that live chat agents should use more we or more I when having a conversation? The answer is, it depends. For every 1% relative gain in the use of the word I for this particular client of ours, there was an increased order size of 2.9%. Now, the rationale is that they want more of that you are owning it. So I will take care of this for you, Mr. Smith. And there's some examples on the right-hand side. Another do or don't, should live chat agents strictly use formal language? Again, the answer is, it depends. If you reduce ratio of contractions to full word usage by 50% for this particular client, every brand is different, but for them, that equated to a 23% conversion rate lift and a 19% increase in order size. The rationale there being that when you strike the right balance of formality with your own brand voice, you will get that lift. And there's examples on the right-hand side. Now I'm going to get into a little of the data science here. This dark blue curve here is a scatter plot, which is indicating each of this particular client's chat conversations. Now, this orange line represents the conversion rate for the different levels of chat agents' performance on one variable. That one variable being response time. Now, the U-shaped curve shows that when an agent responded too quickly, the end user felt that they were a bot, and so less likely to bot. People don't really like bots. On the other side here, when the agent was responding too slowly, they felt that they weren't being taken care of, so the customer service was not there. So just like any real live conversation, there is an optimal way to do just about everything. We at RapportBoost.AI reverse engineer the perfect conversation for your brand. For this particular client, by doing our insights, there was a 10% decrease in response time, meant an increased conversion by 2%. A couple of case studies of our clients, one in the e-commerce retailer sector. 3 months after implementing our insights, they had a 7.6% increase in order size, a 7.8% increase in conversion rate, and a 0.9% increase in customer satisfaction. That goes back to what I said at the beginning of this conversation, in which brands do want more conversions, but do not want to destroy brand equity. This proves out that RapportBoost.AI can increase conversions while also helping increase your brand equity. Now, here is a health and wellness case study. Just 10 days after implementing our insights, they had 100 net new conversions, 85% increase in conversion rates, and a 50% increase in operational capacity. Now, this particular client, their value of a conversion was a couple $1,000s. The 50% increase in operational capacity meant that it was taking them 15 minutes to close a sale, but after using our insights, they were able to close the sale in only 10 minutes.